Alright y'all, so it's Tuesday, it's probably like 10:30 in the morning right now. We're about to go do a big brake upgrade kit. We gotta take all this to the shop, except for this. I'm gonna leave the fuel injectors here, along with the supercharger stuff. This is all brake stuff, and this is our subframe collars. We might install these subframe collars today. We don't know yet. I gotta go fill up on gas, and that's it. We're just gonna head over. I'm gonna go try and put all this in my car. Tired, bro. A little bit. A little bit? Sleep last night. Well, you're the one who doesn't want to wake up, so I didn't know it's time you wanted me to come.
Let's get started.
Right now?
Yeah, because this is going to take a while.
Yeah.
It's going to take like all day.
Alright, let's do it. I'm sorry. Was I really late?
Yeah, bro. You're supposed to be here like 3 hours ago.
No, we'll be done.
Are we gonna like cut shit up?
Oh, yeah. We're going to cut the fuck out of your car.
Alright, I'm cool with that. Let's go. Pull it up. It's not my responsibility anymore. There you go. Yo, so when I bought the rims, they asked me whether or not I was getting the Akebono brakes. And I said no.
I know, I was...
You think they'll fit?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah. It's alright. You can cover that.
Oh, no way. I don't know. Oh. 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 That's solid. Alright, yeah, no, that's perfect. That's all it needs, right?
That's all I need.
All right. Scoop and sleuths?
Scoop and sleuths.
Damn, bro, this looks serious, dude. Dude, look at that. I'm just kissing it. Just barely kissing it.
Watch this.
Wow.
It almost holds it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God.
Look, Chad.
Dude, it holds it. Oh, shit.
Now you know it's gonna brake better, but the brakes are gonna feel different. So at first you're gonna think they're broken or something. It's gonna brake in a different spot than it used to. You know what I mean? It's not gonna be. So at first you're gonna be like, is this broken? But actually it's better. Wait, oh no, you don't have a napkin in here?
No, oh I do.
Get
actually.
one quick.
No, we're fine.
No, we're not fine.
Why not?
Oh shit, oh god, now the hazards are on. Oh Jesus.
We're fine, right? No one's gonna break.
No, it won't break.
It's basically waterproof.
It actually is. So
Is it really?
So what do you think? Definitely stops pretty good.
Yeah, it definitely stops, but I feel safer.
They definitely feel good.
That's the bite I wanted.
Oh, they'll stop. Like, you're gonna hold on. We'll do an emergency stop.
An emergency stop?
Yeah.
I'm down.
3, 2, 1. No, they're definitely good.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Oh, you're gonna feel this like going fast. You're gonna notice that you don't have to put as much pressure on the brake pedal.
Just to slow down,
And
right?
just to slow down, like we're slowing down. I'm barely putting the littlest pressure compared to what you used to. All right, well I'll pull over. It's your turn.
It's my turn?
Yeah, you get a turn. I just wanted to make sure it was safe before you drove it.
I would have thought they were broken.
It's too. This brake pedal's too stiff.
You could hear the suspension though, right?
Yeah, little squeaks.
Yeah.
That's alright. That's just the rubber around the.
I still want to go to BC's. I want some stiffing.
You're so extra.
Am I?
Man.
Shit, I could put a big wang on there, pull over right there.
Wang
I
down.
want some of that vintage ass, mommy.
Who the fuck says that? That vintage ass.
Damn it.
School zone.
It's a thick bitch, right?
Alright, hold on, let me get my seat nice.
Come on now. I'll show you a real VQ, bitch.
What? Look at that! Bro! What is...
The fuck? Oh my god, I will. What does it say?
New tag applied for?
Tag applied for, yeah.
What the?
Like
that is not a thing, people.
That's
You
not
can't
the
just
cop.
do that shit, okay?
I think you put down the window for me.
Nah, dude, it's chill.
Is he trying to talk to me?
We don't need to talk to him.
No?
We don't talk to people like
Let's
that.
say what's up.
What's up? I can't hold this shit straight.
What is those? 12s? Appreciate it, bro. Nice rim.
Nice tag.